welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. So today is day 19 of the countdown to 2021. I am going to do an unboxing of my December globein. I know I already did a globein this month. I feel like I'm doing a lot of the globein videos. Disclaimer, I know a lot of my folks that I watch have been having issues with globein on their shipping and stuff. I actually haven't had that issue on mine, at least. I started getting globein. I purchased it starting this summer, like I think it was August. I went back and looked, and I've gotten every box that I have supposed to get on time every month. So I got this box like a week ago, and I had just videoed and did my box for the month before and posted it because I just didn't get around to posting it before then. So anyway, I thought we would go over this box. I think some folks are having issues because they pick a specific box and then that's not in stock and then it's taking forever to ship. I will see if that happens to me this next month, because this next month is the first month I've actually picked what box I'm going to get instead of just letting them pick for me. So we'll see. I'll update you guys on that. But yeah, so I paid for a year-long subscription. I have in the past and I will in the future. I get some boxes free of charge from them to review. This is not one of them. This is just out of my own monthly subscription of what I pay for. So I got a year-long membership just to see how I felt about it, not getting it as a free promotional item. So I got the box today is the tea party box, and that's what that looks like. So for those that don't know anything about globein, I don't have the specific prices, but I do have the link down below. It's a monthly subscription box that is handcrafted items from all over the world, and the whole idea of this is it's supposed to help artisans all over the world. And I have been very into these kind of things. They have a lot of variety of boxes, and every month you can choose which box, or you can let them choose for you. I have been letting them choose for me, but recently I decided I wanted to choose a box. Now, there are some things about this subscription I really absolutely adore. I think the items are really fun. I love supporting artisans all over the world. There are a few items that I keep getting over and over again that I'm like, I don't know what to do with these. And I do wish that when they sent glassware, specifically cups, they sent more than just one. Those are some of my critiques of it, but overall, I enjoy this subscription a lot. So I want to show you guys, and like I said, I wanted to do that disclaimer because I know a lot of people are having shipping issues, and I just, from my personal experience, have had no issues, but if I do, I will let you guys know. All right, so let's just dive into the box, and I need to figure out where I put my little handout here. Try to tell you as much as I can about these. So yeah, so let's start with the first thing, which is the biggest thing in here. And actually, I may give this away because I got one of these when I signed on for a year-long subscription. They gave you like a free item, and my free item was actually this item. And I did not undo all these items before. Okay, so this is, holy moly, they got box and box. The other critique I've seen people talk about this box is that they've had their items come broken, their glassware. I have not experienced that at all. Like, I just haven't. My stuff always comes like overly packaged, and if I forget to get into it ahead of time, it's just a pain. Okay, so first item here is one that I've already received as a free gift when I signed up for their year-long. So I'm probably going to get this to my mother for Christmas because this is really pretty and I really love it. But it's a really pretty heavy-duty glass tea pitcher, and it is 9x9. It is hand-blown glass, so that's really pretty. I love their glassware. I think it's one of the nicest things. This is from Mexico, and they talk about Gerardo Poza, who's the gentleman who did this glassware, but really pretty. I've gotten some other really beautiful hand-blown glass pieces from Mexico, and I think it's just such a neat thing. Each piece is very unique because obviously it's hand done, so that makes it just, I think, even more special and unique. But I'm gonna give this one away as a gift because, like I said, I have another one of this, and I think this is going to be a great gift. All right, so that's the first item. let's talk about the second item I have here. This is the Tulsi 20 tea bags. There we go. So fun fact about me, I don't drink coffee. I like never drink coffee, maybe 2-3 times a year. I am a tea drinker. All the caffeine I ever need to get is from tea. I'm not a big into loose teas, but I really do like teas that are either iced teas or tea bags, and I usually will have either a cup of hot tea or iced tea every morning. No sugar. I'm not a sugar person in my tea. But anyway, these are different teas here. And these are green tea leaves. So green tea is not one I drink as much, but I do find green tea is nice for when I want to relax or I'm not feeling well. I tend to reach for green teas more. Let me tell you guys a little bit more about this company. So this is the 100% organic Tulsi green tea leaves. You're supposed to steep this in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm super lazy, so when I make tea usually at home, I usually take a cup and I put water in it and I microwave it. Yeah, I do that. I'm one of those people. And or I go to my Keurig and I just get hot water, which is what I've been doing recently, and I have the tea bag in there and then I let it steep over that. That's my lazy trick of the day. But anyway, this is from India, and it is a fair trade company. The person they highlight in the little book here, Somoswar, I'm sorry, I probably butchered his name. He comes from a prominent tea region in India, and he is officially registered as a small tea grower who operates his own tea garden. And so, yeah, that's pretty exciting. So that's cool. I definitely will use that. This one is interesting. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I may give this to my daughter. This is the handcrafted in Nepal, handmade felt garland. Actually, this might be cute on the tree, but let me just show you. I'm not going to open it because I don't know if I'm going to, well, maybe I'll open it. That's what it looks like. Let's open it and take a look. I may put this on my tree or I may give this to my daughter. I may just put this on my tree. I haven't decided. So like if you're having a little tea party, you have these little balls here. These are actually cute. I'll probably give this to my daughter. She would love this. She loves stringing random like decorations in her room and stuff, and this would go with her decor. They're like little wool balls. It's super cute, and then they have a little thing down there. Okay, so these are 5 feet, 100% felt Nepalese wool. You hand wash, do not leave to soak. And this is from a company called Giftsland, and it takes the income. Basically, families that work for this company take the income and they help provide for the schooling for their children in an area. So that is that. I'm gonna, like I said, this will probably go to my daughter. I see her liking that. That's probably one of the least practical things in this box right now, but that is okay. All right, next thing here is this. Let me see. Let me find it in the book here. Beeswax tea light. This is by Ban Limi, and this is made in Haiti. So they talk about the person Mondi, and it says carefully craftsmanship of your new tea light. So there's 2 little tea lights here. There you go. There's a little tea light. Don't have any smell. It's just straight up beeswax, and then it's got a little plastic container here. So there's 2 of these. So these are nice for when you have little meals or you have like a little lantern that you want to put it in. The tea lights are nice for that. So it's always nice to have a few little tea lights around. But basically, these are made from 70% soy and 30% beeswax. They are supposed to last for 6 hours. And this is done by a woman like Mondi is her name. And it's supposed to help with their economy and social communities. Haiti has been very hard hit over the last few years, so I think any little thing that they're able to produce and sell helps their economy greatly. All right, final item here, which kind of ties into the tea lights, is this right here. We've got a little lantern, and this is super cute. I'm probably going to put this as a little decorative item somewhere in this room, most likely. But it is, I believe it's actually a functional little tea light, or lantern. Let's see if we can open it. Yeah. So you can put that little tea light in there, and then you've got the little glass windows here, and then it is metal and a really beautiful like dark red shade. And let's talk about this one here. So this is small handmade lantern in India. It's aluminum and glass, and it is made by the company Noah's Ark. And so they talk about a woman here who has 4 boys, and she wanted to get an education. And so they talk about her work to help create this product. This is really beautiful. I mean, the detailing on this is really nice. If you guys, like, this reminds me of something you would get from Pier 1, or obviously Pier 1 is no longer available in shops, but it is still online, or World Market. This reminds me of something I would buy at World Market, which I absolutely love World Market. So anyway, this is really, really nice. You can put the tea candles in here. So that's the box. I believe these boxes are, oh gosh, I think they're just shy of $50. But if you get a year membership like I did, it's a lot cheaper. But anyway, so we got, for my money, the little lantern, which is freaking adorable. The 2 tea candles you can put in there, which is really nice touch. You've got the tea. So this is 20 tea bags, which I'll definitely use. The cute little pom-poms, which are just kind of a little added something that I'll give to my daughter. This is probably the thing I'm least excited about, but it's still fun. And then the really beautiful heavy-duty vase, which is really, really nice. So I'm very happy with this for the price that I paid for the year membership. I don't know how I would feel paying this price. I mean, I think it's well worth the money, but I don't know how I'd feel if I paid it month to month. I definitely think getting it at a slightly cheaper price helps. But it is a very, very fun box. I like the stuff in there. I'm hoping that they fix some of the shipping issues for the other people that are having issues. And it seems like they are, from what I'm seeing online in their communities. On the, I think it's the Maven page that everyone talks about. It seems like they're trying to respond to that. So I'm hoping that will fix that. But that's that box for anyone that is interested. And I will probably have another one in a couple weeks to show you guys. But that's it. All right, guys, I will be back tomorrow. I'm getting my COVID shot tomorrow. So I will update you guys on, or I'm getting my COVID shot. Yeah. Well, I'm taping this up the day before I get it. The day I post this up, I will be getting my COVID shot that day. So I'll update you guys in the next video about how that went and if there were any issues. But anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.